How to draw bulldozers in 11 steps. The bulldozer moves earth around, making it a handy vehicle on any construction site. Bulldozers are so strong, they are often used to move other earth-moving construction vehicles around. In this articles, we'll show you how to draw the above bulldozer. You can draw this construction vehicle freehand while looking at your computer monitor or print out this page to get a closer look at each step. Follow the red lines in each illustration to learn exactly what to draw in that step. The lines drawn in previous steps are shown in gray. Here, we'll show you an illustration of each step and then give you a description of how to draw it. Head over to the next page for the first step. 1. Draw the wheels. To make the wheels that run the track, draw 5 small circles on the bottom, add outlines to provide depth. On each side of the 5 circles, draw a ring. Attach a curved rectangle to the side of the furthest ring to add depth. Above the circles, draw 2 more rings, add curved rectangles to these as well. Up next, we'll work on drawing the wheel axles. 2. Draw the wheel axles. Draw a curved rectangular shape over the bottom wheels, notice how the shape dips down at both ends. Draw a similar, smaller shape inside the first. Add outlines to provide depth. On the next page, we'll draw the track. 3. Draw the track. Draw a line around all the circles, make another line just outside the first. Draw the outside line to make the side edge and face of the track. Also notice the small lines you need to make on the inside of the track. On the next page, we'll work on drawing the blade. 4. Draw the blade. To make the blade, draw a curved rectangular shape, add a tab to the top middle of the rectangle. Draw the sides of the blade and the details as shown. Up next, we'll work on drawing the fender. 5. Draw the fender. Draw the rounded triangle and rectangle that make up the lift arm that connects the blade to the bulldozer, add outlines for depth. Draw the fender, follow the example shown. On the next page, we'll work on the hood and grille. 6. Draw the hood and grille. For the hood, make a rounded square shape with a tab at the fender. Draw outlines where shown. On the front of the hood, draw the grille, which is a rectangle with the top edges rounded. Up next, we'll draw the driver's cab. 7. Draw the cab. To make the cab, draw 4 thin, slightly curved bars. Outline each for depth. Draw the roof as shown. Next, we'll add lights and an exhaust pipe. 8. Add lights and an exhaust pipe. Draw the driver's seat in the cab, and add 2 headlights and a safety light on top of the roof. On the hood, draw a curved exhaust pipe. Add a circle to the end of the pipe. Next, we'll add some vents and hydraulics. 9. Draw vents and hydraulics. Draw 3 rectangular vents in the hood. Each vent is a little larger than the one above it. Draw a hydraulic cylinder extending from the triangular part of the lift arm to below the fender. Look carefully, and draw the other lines that finish the body of the dozer. Next, we'll draw the track treads. 10. Draw track treads. To make cleats on the tread faces, use a ruler to draw the small evenly spaced rectangles across the track. On the back and underside of the tread, draw small triangular bumps. We're almost done. We'll finish our drawing on the next page. 11. Add the final touches. Use a felt tip pen to trace over the lines you want to keep, and erase the extra pencil lines. You did it. So let's move on to a construction vehicle that does a lot more than push materials around. It lowers, lifts, and moves heavy materials high into the sky and in any direction they need to go.